Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. What is the importance of gifts?
Gifts are very important to show our love, care for the other one. In these days, the Valentine Day is coming, and I gift my husband a wallet, and I say, if you don't give me back the gift, I will don't talk to you, and you have to gift me. And he smiled and say, last time I have gift you.
You have changed the question. The question is only about importance of gifts, but you are speaking that is something irrelevant to the question. Only talk about importance of gifts. In speaking part 1, you should give answer in 3 steps. Step 1, answer the question directly. Step 2, elaborate your answer, and step 3, conclude your answer. So what you are saying, it's out of this range. What is the importance of gift? Gifts are very important. They strengthen our bond with others, and whenever we give a gift to somebody, it expresses our love. So I also give gifts to my husband, and in return he also gives me back some nice gifts. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but not any specific incident. Let's go on. Is there any pressure on us to buy gifts?
Uh, Not all time, but sometimes it have necessary to we have to gift someone to show our care, or like if you don't buy any gift or anything, so then it's pressure on you to buy.
Okay, grammatically you are doing some mistakes, so you need to focus your sentence structure, especially present simple, past simple, future simple, these 3 tenses. How often do you buy gifts for your friends or family members?
Occasionally, I have to buy some gifts for the people whom I love or care, and friends, like Eid and other events.
Okay, do you like to receive expensive gifts?
No, I don't like to receive expensive gifts because in return you have to return more expensive gift. That's why I don't like to expensive.
Okay, what kind of gifts are popular in your country?
Uh, Mostly in our country the gifts are, it depends on your pocket, that how much you afford. uh, that's why the people like to, in case of mine, I like to gift according to my range, and it's like 5,000, 4,000.
Okay, so mainly
Depend on
the
range.
first thing is ideas to express your answer here. The second is language. So you should focus your English language also. There are grammatical mistakes, right? Okay, thank you.